How can you edit your audios professionally in your mobile phone? Well, for audio editing, there is a special and professional software available which is called Adobe Audition. But that is not available in the smartphone, and second, that is not free. So, how can you edit your audios professionally on your smartphone and for 100% free? Coming up. For professional audio editing on mobile phone, you need one application which is called Lexus Audio Editor, and it's completely free and available on the App Store. So all you need to go is to go and search Lexus Audio Editor and install it. And once you install it, then follow these steps in order to edit your audios. So here is the Lexus Audio Editor interface and the home page. So all you need to do is to first record your audio in this application, and for that you need to click on this red dot to start recording. So once you hit start recording, now you can record your voice, and through this it will turn into a mic for your videos. So now my voice is being recorded, and once your recording is finished, you have to click on this red dot and this save button. So your voice has been recorded and saved, and if you want to play it, you can. You hit start recording. Now you can record your voice. Okay, so now we want to edit the voice and the audio. So all you need to do is to click on the three lines, and once you clicked it, come to options, and here you need to make sure that the format used when sharing sound is mp3. So you have to change it to mp3. On the default setting, it is not mp3. You have to be back, click on the three lines and effects, and now come here and click on the noise reduction to reduce the noise. So this is used to reduce the noise. Okay. You hit start recording. Now you can record your voice, and through this it will turn into a mic for your videos. So now my voice is being recorded, and you need to apply it. You hit start recording. Now you can record your voice. So you can see the changes there when I clicked on the reduce noise. Okay, one more. You have to come into the effects, and there are a lot of options that you can add or change in your audio. If you want to change the speed, you can do it easily by click on this, come back to option effects, and here you can even add or remove echo from your audio. Like I want to play this. You hit start recording. Now you can record your voice. If I slow down the delay, you hit start recording. Now you can record your voice. You can see the echo has been added. If you want to maximize it, the echo will be removed. You hit start recording. So it's up on you that if you want to add or remove echo from your audio. So this is the perfect audio editor for mobile, till that you can easily edit great audio in your mobile phone. So if you guys like the video, smash the like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next